Hey, what's up? I'm Sam from AI for Marketers, and today we're gonna do a complete step-by-step tutorial on Kling AI. Okay, so first things first, I have to say this is one of the best video generation apps out there. We've tried now 2 or 3 other softwares, and honestly, in this exact moment, Kling AI is my favorite. Okay, so this is the landing page of Kling AI. We see there Kling AI, spark your imagination, next generation AI, Creative Studio. AI images powered by Colors, which is a separate company. And then you have AI videos powered by Kling. They're also promising a video editing software, which is interesting. It'd be cool to edit your videos in the same software you're using for content generation. Okay, so this is what people have been making. You can see there a video, the horse lowers his head to eat the grass. This is image to video. There's a cat. This is like a Chinese monastery. Yeah, super interesting stuff. Like, this is videos that people are generating basically. Okay, so let's sign up for Kling. You go here, sign up for free, sign in. Okay, so now that we have an account, Kling 8248, we can see our assets, Kling AI best practices, which is like a guide, a full guideline on how to use Kling, the terms of service, privacy policy, apply for the API, and contact us, okay, everything. And we can see here like our plans and like the way to get more credits. It actually has 3 plans like most AI softwares. The free plan only gives you credits for signing in. The standard plan is $10 a month, 660 credits per month, free credits daily by logging in. You can remove the watermarks. You generate professional mode videos. You can extend video length up to 3 minutes, and you can enhance the quality of the images. You also have the Pro plan, which is $37 a month, and you get 3,000 credits a month. You get all the perks from the standard plan, plus priority access to new features. And then you have the Premier, which is like, you know, the top plan. It's $92 a month. You get 8,000 credits and pretty much the same perks you had in the Pro plan. You're gonna do the free one because you can access most of the features with that one. But I would recommend, like, if you're gonna use it, just, you know, buy the standard and see how it goes. Okay, so these are the options we have now. We have the video editing part, which is not released yet. Then we have my assets. I haven't created anything in this account yet, so you know, there's nothing there, but these are your assets and your likes, the things you have liked in the Explore page. Then you have AI images, which again is powered by Colors, so it's not Kling, but like, you know, it's a great image generator. And then we have the AI video part, which is the most extensive part of Kling. Let's try to be as specific as possible with our prompt. I told you guys in the last video that I want to run a marathon, so I'm training for that, and I want to see myself, you know, training in these images. So let's try to, you know, get a picture of myself training for that run. 24-year-old male runner, brown hair, training in Toronto. Let's not use a reference image because, like, you know, like, I just want it to be super creative. I want it in landscape. You can see here, like, you know, you can change the aspect ratio, and you can edit here the amount of images you want to create. The cool thing is that it's no, like, each image is not super expensive. So if I want to create 9 images, it's just 2 credits, and if I want to create 2 images, it's 0.5 credits. Let's do 4. Okay, so it now generated this guy, right? It doesn't look like me that much, but, you know, like, yeah, he's running and he has a blue t-shirt. Okay, so now that we've generated images with Kling and Colors, we now have to learn how to generate videos with Kling AI, which is, by the way, the best feature Kling offers. You have the text to video option and the image to video option. Let's try first with the text to video part. We're gonna copy our prompt from the image we generated. Let's go to AI videos. And now that we have that prompt, a lot of nature, running motion. Okay, so here's the interesting part about Kling. We already have our prompt, and here are the settings for the video generating aspects. Of course, the aspect ratio. Do you want it like square, vertical, or landscape? Do you want the mode to be a standard mode or professional mode? We don't have access to a professional mode, but, like, you know, it's much better, the professional mode, than the standard mode. It's like higher quality, it's faster, everything. Then we have the length. If you have any of the Pro plans, you can do 10 seconds. We can only do 5 now, but we can play with the creativity of this prompt. So how creative do we want Kling AI to be in this generation? Meaning, how strictly guided by our prompt do we want Kling to be? Do we want it to understand our prompt and generate exactly what we're asking, or do we want it to be like a bit freer? In my case, I'm okay with a little bit of creativity, so let's put that in 0.4. And we can also play with the camera movement. I want to do a zoom out from this, so let's do zoom -5. There you go. And negative prompts. Negative prompts is whatever you don't want your video to look like. I also want to add here in the prompt, because I forgot about that, depth of field. Makes the image so much better. So let's try that. Let's generate our video. It's 10 credits. So this is the most expensive part of Kling AI by far. 10 credits compared to, you know, 0.4 credits of the image generation tool. 10 credits and it's only one video. So yeah. Okay, finally we have a video created. Okay, we can see there our entire prompt. Yeah, it generated our entire prompt perfectly, dude. Like this is a guy with dark blue attire. He's running. You can also see the camera movement is the exact one we asked for. And even the orange running shoes. It's running motion, depth of field, brown hair, pale skin, dark blue attire, sunny day, I love nature. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So yes, I'm 100% satisfied with the results. Now, a thing that Kling doesn't let you do yet is to edit with AI this exact same video. But let's say we wanted to do a similar video, but like, you know, with less motion, or we want it to be, you know, not that, you know, AI generated, because you can see that of course it's an AI generated video, right? So it doesn't have the quality of a normal video. So you get that with the professional mode, but let's try to get that with this standard. We'll put some weight on the relevance of the prompt in 0.7. We're gonna erase depth of field and we're gonna change the zoom option for a roll. Negative prompt, disfigurement, because we don't want it to be disfigured. You can see there the legs are not, you know, the best. And we're gonna generate our second. Okay, there you go. So we can see now the different camera movement that we wanted, and there's no disfigurement, or at least not a lot. And this guy's running, which is part of the prompt. This is actually much better than the last one because it's following like the prompt. But I don't really like how this guy looks. So, you know, it's not a super cool video. But a super interesting thing is that in the first prompt, we added depth of field, which means that the background's like kind of blurred. But in the second one, we removed that part of the prompt, and now we can see the complete background. Both of these are great. We're gonna do now the image to video part. Okay, so let's grab one of our first images, the ones that we generated. Let's download that one, and we can go to AI videos, image to video, and let's drop that cool male runner video right there. What I want is the guy to be, you know, moving. Like I want it to have running motion. We sadly don't have the camera movement option in the image to video generator, but we can do 10 seconds of video, and we can tell it to be a bit more creative. And let's add here disfigurement, because we saw it had problems with that. And if you had an end image, meaning like, okay, so I want my video to start like this and finish like this, you can add it here. Let's add 10 seconds there. Okay, no, 5 seconds because it's 10 credits, and generate. This is pretty interesting. They know it takes a while to generate the images, so they say your creation is brewing. Enjoy a coffee break while we finalize it. Kling AI keeps spinning magic even when you leave the page. So you can basically leave the software on the background, and it will be generating your images. That's cool. The one I'm the most excited about of the video generation tools is OpenAI Sora, and I don't know the release date yet. I think last time they talked about that, they said I think November or something. So that's gonna be pretty interesting, because like now Kling AI, Luma, and Runway are like the best video generators out there, but I don't know if they're gonna be able to compete with OpenAI's Sora, just because the amount of resources that company has is much more massive than the other ones. But it's gonna be really interesting because, you know, when there's competition, you know, they all improve. So I'm pretty excited about the near future of the video generation tools. Well, guys, it's been like an hour or so since we, you know, try to make the this image to video generation, and still it hasn't developed the video. I don't know exactly what happened. I don't know if it's the prompt or it's just the software, but I want to be super transparent with you guys and let you know that this type of things happen inside of Kling. Now, I know that's not always, but you know, it's been a while now. It's been like 30 minutes at least, and you know, still the video hasn't been generated. Although I really like this one and the first one we did, and also has like super cool features and motions, and you can add the camera movement. I think the camera movement
It's a great tool to have. Just to let you know that, the image to video generation is a bit buggy right now, but I think it will get better in the future for sure. It's just one of these books that happen. And yeah, it's like you have, if we do a, review tutorials channel, we have to be transparent. And yeah, but in any other case, I think Kling AI is a great software. If you need to do simple videos like this one and you need certain type of camera movement, you can do it relatively easily. So I think it's great, and I think it's gonna be much better. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more like this, you can subscribe to our channel or watch our playlist with all our tutorials. I hope this was useful to you. See ya.